guys, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I have my monthly IPSY unboxing, unbagging, whatever you guys like to call these videos. You guys know this is a fan favorite over here on FunsizedStyle. You can check out my IPSY playlist if you want to know more information about IPSY, but I'll also have it down in the description box below. It is a referral link, so if you use my link, I will receive points to redeem for extra products, and so it really helped me out, and I really appreciate it. So thank you to those that have used my link to sign up for IPSY. But without further ado, since I've done so many of these videos, go ahead and get right on into this video. I almost said this box, but this video. So first I want to talk about the Glam bag design for this month. You guys know I'm just a standard Glam bag subscriber, not a Glam bag plus or Glam bag ultimate subscriber. So I want to talk about the bag design for this month. I actually have quite a few comments about it, so I wasn't super excited when I saw that this was the bag design. One reason that I love IPSY is because I feel like this is a reason that a lot of people get annoyed, but I personally like it, is that you get a makeup bag every single month. And what I love about their makeup bags typically is they're very unique designs. They're not ones that you would really find in the store or any type of makeup store like Ulta or Sephora. They're very unique. They're exclusive to IPSY. For this bag design, I just feel like it's so standard and there was zero thought into the Glam bag design for this month. It's just a standard holographic makeup bag, and if you Google holographic makeup bag, there's literally so many. Like, this is not a special kind of design whatsoever. You can literally get a holographic makeup bag like almost anywhere. They're so easy to find. It's just not special to IPSY, and so for that reason it just makes me really bummed, because that's one of the reasons that I love IPSY, is because of the uniqueness of their Glam bag, but this could not be more standard. Like I said, if you Google holographic makeup bag, you'll literally find dozens in an instant. It's just very standard when it comes to a makeup bag design. I'm sure we've all seen these. So that's my comment about the bag design itself. And then also for the bag design, I feel like this is more of a December or January kind of IPSY bag design, not really like a summery kind of bag. I don't know, it just gives off more winter vibes, and so this isn't typically a bag design that I feel like I would think of. I think of August, since we're still in summer. So let me know what you guys thought, if you're a standard Glam bag subscriber this month, what you thought of this holographic makeup bag. I'm definitely not impressed at all. But we'll go ahead and go into the contents of the bag. So here is the card this month. It's "The future is yours" is the theme this month, and it says, "Looking forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow. From achieving your glowy skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. A whole new world of beauty valued at $50 and up is in your hands. Where will you begin?" The first product that is in my Glam bag for August 2020 is by the brand of Balance Me, and this is the Congested Skin Serum. This product is vegan and cruelty-free and claims to be 100% natural. I've never actually heard of the brand Balance Me, and I'm always looking for natural skincare brands because skin is so sensitive. I'm so particular on what products I use on my skin, so I definitely want to look more into this brand and really see like what their ingredients are. But it says to apply this after cleansing to blemishes or over any areas that are prone to breakouts. The next product in my Glam bag this month is by the brand MOTD, and this is a makeup brush, obviously. This is the Pigment Packer brush. I love the name of that. That's like so perfect. I wonder if the brand is called Makeup of the Day Cosmetics. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, but this card used to have like the products that you receive in your Glam bag, information about the brand, the value, and all of that, but they discontinued that like 4 months ago now, so now you just kind of have to do it the old way. I don't think I've ever received a product from this brand, so I definitely want to look more into this. I definitely see why it's called the Pigment Packer, because it is the perfect brush. It just feels like a very nice quality brush, so I'm getting really excited to try this out. The next product that I received in my bag is by Generation Clay, and this is the Detoxifying Charcoal Clay Mask. I don't love Generation Clay. I don't use masks. I just don't take the time to do that. I specifically don't love Generation Clay because of the ingredients. I will be passing this along to somebody. I actually received a Generation Clay mask in a FabFitFun box recently, so I also gave that away. It's just not a brand that I use or a kind of product that I use, so that is really unfortunate, and I was, to be honest, pretty bummed that I received it in my Glam bag this month. But because of that, I really don't have too much to say about it. The next product that I received in my IPSY Glam bag, I'm actually really excited about. So this is the product that I chose. You can now Glam bag subscriber. I'll pick one of the products in our Glam bags every month. When I saw this, I knew I had to snag it. It's by Tatcha, and this is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. You guys know I can't afford anything from Tatcha. It's a very expensive, luxurious brand, but the quality of their products are just impeccable. I've heard nothing but great things about the brand. They use amazing quality ingredients in their product, and I've just really wanted to try some Tatcha skin products to see how my skin reacts to it, see what it's like, and if it really lives up to the hype. So when I saw this as one of my options, again, I had to snag it, and I chose the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on the product to see if it's one that I would recommend or not, but I can't believe I even own a little Tatcha product. Like, I feel so bougie, but this is super nice. I was so excited for this. You know I'm excited about it too, because I typically wouldn't choose a skincare product as one of my products in my IPSY bag, but again, Tatcha had to. The last product in my Glam bag this month, I'm not super excited about either. This is by IT Cosmetics, and it's the Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Skin Transforming Pillow Cream, the Rest and Restore technology. So this is where I wish I had the card, because this is when it came in handy. You guys know I typically love IT Cosmetics, but this is a product that I don't typically use. I can't use like things you have to leave on your skin overnight, because I have obstructive sleep apnea, so I wear BiPAP, and I have all this gear on my face. So I can't use products that I have to keep on my skin overnight, and it looks like this is one of those. So I'm so curious. I'm actually gonna take the time to look this up. Another thing I don't love about this is it's incredibly strong smelling. It's not even that good of a smell. We'll be passing this along for so many reasons. I typically love IT Cosmetics. This product is not the right kind of product for me on multiple levels. The fragrance, the kind of product that it is, it just doesn't fit my lifestyle. But I am really curious. I do want to look and see when you even apply this, but I believe you're supposed to leave this on your skin overnight. It doesn't say whether you're supposed to leave it on overnight. It just says, every night as the last step in your skincare routine, apply a generous amount of this cream to your face using an upward sweeping motion. Unfortunately, that is actually it already for my products that were in my August 2020 Glam bag. It was honestly so disappointing on multiple levels. It was basically all skincare except for the makeup brush. I do know that one of the products that I picked was a skincare product, the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. Had I known that I was going to be receiving all other skincare products anyways, like had I known I was going to be receiving just skincare products besides the makeup brush, I would not have chosen the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, because I already have so many skincare products in my Glam bag this month. 2 of the skincare products I'm not even going to use. So it was just an incredibly disappointing bag for me this month, and honestly I feel really bad for you guys, because there wasn't any products to swatch, nothing like that. I didn't receive any products like that. It was just so disappointing. One of the most disappointing Glam bags I received thus far since I've been subscribed for about 5 years. I'm sorry this one probably wasn't as much fun for you guys to watch. Hopefully next month will be better. I do want to just give you guys my honest reviews of these Glam bags. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have all the products that was featured in my Glam bag linked in the description box below, as well as my link to subscribe to IPSY. But until then, I'll see you guys in my next video.